So we all know that a Galaxy Note branded smartphone won't be coming this year. Samsung decided not to release it for whatever reason. Well, we may not be getting a real Galaxy Note handset this year, but a concept designer decided to create an imaginary one, the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra. This device is a bit different from what you expect out of Samsung. It actually looks like an odd hybrid between the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Xiaomi 11 Ultra. This thing has two displays, razor-thin bezels, and plenty of cameras. You will notice that the phone has no bezels basically. Its display seems to be curved towards the sides, while all of its physical buttons sit on the right. A display camera hole is also not included here. This phone is imagined to have an under-display camera. There are 5 cameras included on the back, and next to them you will notice a secondary display. That display is not large, of course, but it's there. What seems odd when it comes to this design is the back side. Based on the provided image, it actually seems like the bottom part of the phone back is protruding more than the top. That's kind of odd, as the phone rear cameras are usually protruding. This is a concept design after all, so something like this is possible, as it's all up to the imagination. Bringing this to life is another thing entirely. Perhaps the designer envisioned a large battery here or something of the sort. Samsung may bring back the Galaxy Note series next year. We'll have to wait and see. One thing is for sure, this year we not getting a Note phone. Samsung will release several phones in its place, though. The Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, and S21 FE. None of them are a direct replacement, though.